Remora suckerfish have several distinguishing features that can help identify them. 1. Sucker-like organ. Remora suckerfish have a modified dorsal fin that has evolved into a sucker-like organ on the top of their head. This organ allows them to attach themselves to larger marine animals, such as sharks and whales. 2. Streamlined body. Remora suckerfish have a streamlined body that is typically gray or brown in color. The body is covered in small scales and can grow up to several feet in length. 3. Lack of swim bladder. Remora suckerfish do not have a swim bladder, which is a gas-filled organ that helps fish control their buoyancy. Instead, they rely on their sucker-like organ to attach themselves to other animals and move through the water. 4. Reduced fins. Remora suckerfish have reduced pectoral and pelvic fins, which are the fins located on the sides of the body. This allows them to move more easily through the water and attach themselves to other animals. Overall, Remora suckerfish are easily identifiable due to their sucker-like organ, streamlined body, lack of swim bladder, and reduced fins.